Unit 7 Programming in Python. Getting started with Python. Introducing Python. Python is one of the most widely used and easy to learn programming languages, which make it popular for beginners. It can be used for many types of projects, ranging from designing websites to examining large amounts of data. Python comes with many useful built-in functions or tools, including many functions like basic operation, square root, and closing a random number, option for drawing graphics, user-friendly menus and buttons. Ideally, Python code is written on integrated development environment program, IDE, like ideally integrated development and learning environment. The one that comes with Python when you install it. The program ideally is installed along with Python. It has two different windows, the shell window and editor window. Integrated Development Environment IDE. A program that programmer use the typeout and edit code and to create Python program. The shell window is the window that appears when you open IDE. On the screen you will see, which shows you where to start typing. The symbol is called the prompt. To run code the shell window, type in next to the prompt and press enter. The output of your code will appear in the line below, or if your code doesn't run properly, an error message will appear. Output, the result of the code, when you see after the code has run. Example, you can type in the code, print hello world, and your output will be hello world like this. Print hello world. The shell window is great for running small piece of code, but it isn't good for writing whole programs because you can't save your work. Shell window, type here. The editor window is for writing out whole program, then you save that file. The editor window starts out as a completely blank, untitled file, Python file and in .py, and you can save them anywhere on your computer. Example of a Python file name would be firstproject.py. This is a file extension. It names the format of a file. When working in Python, name the file something that's related to your project. Save somewhere that you'll remember. Save your works often. You can call me .py. Saving files tips. Create a new folder called Python project inside your My Document folder to save all your Python project files. This will help you stay organized and help you remember where to find your work. Code. Instructions must be written using code. All parts of the code have to be written according to the rules of the Python programming language. The rules for writing program are called syntax. Python comes with built-in function, a section of code that performs a specific task. One of the functions is called print. The print function print will display in the shell window the text then you add as a parameter value. Parameter value, the text put with the parenthesis of a function. Hello Python. Hello World is one of the most basic programs you can write in any computer language. The Hello World program can be made in Python by calling the print function and typing Hello World as the parameter value like this. Parentheses, function name, parameter value. The printer function tells the computer to display the parameter value. To call a function means to instruct the computer to use the specific tools. Be very careful when typing out your code. If words are misspelled, your program may not run properly. Do not add extra space or symbol. Capitalization also matters. For example, entering print instead of print won't work. My computer is pickier about spelling than my English teacher. Keeping organized. Comments in your code are little load to yourself and other programmer. Comments aren't run as part of the program but can be read by anyone read your code. They act like a sticky note and can help organize your thought. Command can be reminder, explains about the code, and questions. To make a command in Python, use either the sub symbol for one-line command or 3 quotation marks, single or double for multiple lines. Comment on the line. Multi-line command can take many rows. Single-line command use sharp omni at the beginning, but multiple command open and close the quotation marks. Helper colors. Both the cell and either windows automatically change the color of your text to help you read your code. Purple is for built-in function. For example, print is a built-in function. Orange is for keyword that have special meaning like if and true. Green is for all text that appears in quotation marks. Double or single quotation marks can be used as long as they match. In other words, don't start with single quotation marks and end with double quotation marks. Blue is for the output text from when your program runs. Red is for error message that appears when the program doesn't run properly. Black is for all the rest of the text in the program.